Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the step-by-step process of reinstalling the X app, formerly known as Twitter. Whether you're facing issues with the app or just want a fresh start, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Uninstall the X app. To do this, press and hold the X icon on your device until you see the uninstall option appear. Once it shows up, tap on uninstall and confirm your choice. Step 2. Reinstall the X app. Now that the app is uninstalled, it's time to get it back. Open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type X, Twitter, and hit enter. Once the app appears in the search results, tap on it and then select the install button to download it again. Step 3. Log into your account. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open the X app. You'll be prompted to enter your login details. Input your username or email address along with your password. Then tap Login to access your account. And that's it. You've successfully reinstalled the X app and are ready to dive back into your timeline. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates.